Greedily. Wanting too much, especially food or things. He drank the juice greedily. She greedily finished the pizza in minutes. Rudely. Not polite or respectful. The boy spoke rudely to his sister. They rudely laughed during the speech. Famously. Very well known or well remembered. He is famously good at cooking. The actor famously helped many people. Arrogantly. In a proud and rude way. He arrogantly acted like a boss. He arrogantly said he was the best. Shyly. In a quiet and nervous way. She shyly said hello. The boy shyly smiled at me. Brutally. In a very cruel or violent way. The man was brutally attacked. The soldier was brutally injured in the war. Sluggishly. In a slow and tired way. She walked sluggishly after a long day. They sluggishly climbed the stairs. Briskly. In a quick and energetic way. He walked briskly to the bus stop. He briskly cleaned the room. Dreamily. Lost in thoughts or daydreams. The child stared at the sky dreamily. She listened to the music dreamily. Clumsily. In a way that shows you are not careful. She clumsily dropped the glass. He clumsily carried too many books.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!